Hello guys, welcome to our quiz session, and the content of today's quiz gonna be vocabularies from lesson 30. So let's start. The first question here, what is easy in Chinese? We have A 难吃 B 快 C 慢 D 容易. So I want you guys to guess which one of them is correct here. So 难吃 is tasteless for food. 快 is fast. 慢 is slow. And 容易 is easy. So the right answer for this question is D. 容易. Moving on to the next question. What is delicious for food in Chinese? So we have A. 难喝 B. 难 C. 好吃 D. 好喝. So let's try to think. So 难喝 is tasteless for drinks. 难 is difficult. 好吃 is tasty for food or delicious for food. And 好喝 is tasty drink. So delicious for food in Chinese is C. 好吃. The next question here, what is difficult in Chinese? So we have A. 好吃 B. 容易 C. 快 and D. 难. So I will explain it later, so please try to guess. So 好吃 is delicious for food, 容易 is easy, 快 is fast, and 难 is difficult. So difficult in Chinese is D. 难. Moving on to the next question. What is slow in Chinese? So we have A. 好喝 B. 难喝 C. 慢 and D. 难吃. So which one of them is correct here? So 好喝 is tasty for a drink, and 难喝 is tasteless for drink. 慢 is slow, and 难吃 is tasteless for foods. Slow in Chinese is C. 慢. The next one here, what is tasteless for drink in Chinese? So we have A. 难喝 B. 难吃 C. 好吃 and D. 容易. So which one do you think is the right answer here? So 难喝 is tasteless for drink. 难吃 is tasteless for food. So it's a little bit tricky here. And 好吃 is delicious for food. And the last one, 容易 is easy. So tasteless for drink in Chinese is A. 难喝. The next question here, what is fast in Chinese? We have A. Man, B. 快, C. 难吃, and D. 难. So let's think first. I will explain it later. So 慢 is slow, 快 is fast, 难吃 is tasteless for food, and 难 is difficult. So fast in Chinese is B, 快, 快. The next question here, what is tasteless for food in Chinese? So you have A, 难吃, B, 难, C, 难喝, and D, 好吃. So which one of them is correct here? So 难吃 is tasteless for food, 难 is difficult, 难喝 is tasteless for drink, and 好吃 is delicious for food. So the Chinese for tasteless for food here is A, 难吃, 难吃. The next question here, what is tasty for drink? So we have A, 快, B, 好喝, C, 容易, and D, 慢. So please try to guess, guys. Which one do you think is the right answer here? So 快 is fast, 好喝 is delicious, for drink 容易 is easy, and 慢 is slow. So tasty for drink in Chinese is B, 好喝, 好喝. So that's all guys for today's quiz. Thanks a lot for watching my video. So how many questions that you get right out of those 8 questions? I will see you guys on our next lesson then.